Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. Today we'll start the new chapter, chapter number 4, simple equations. Before moving to the main topic children, first we need to understand what is algebraic expression. Okay, because the equation is basically dependent on algebraic expression only. Okay, so let us understand what it is. An expression involving constant, variable and some operations like addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. Okay, it has a constant numbers. You can say here one example I have given 2x plus 5, where 5 is a constant number children. Okay, a variable. Another term I have used in this expression 2x, where x is a variable. Okay, and you, as it told, it involves operations also, operation in the sense addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Okay children, so an algebraic expression is made up of terms. Terms in the sense here 2x and 5, here are the two terms which involves the operation of addition, and this forms an algebraic expression. Okay, so when a variable is involved and we have some operations to do, it forms an algebraic expression. Now what is next? Variable. Now children, what is variable? Variable is an unknown number. We don't know what that number is, which could have a different numerical value, and that number can have different values also. We don't know, and it is called variable as it can vary. Vary means children, it can change. The value of that variable can change, and hence it is named as variable. It means it varies. Okay, it is represented by different letters x, y, a, b and etc. You can use any alphabets and you can use those alphabets to denote the variable in the given equation. Okay, so variable is an unknown number. For example, 2x here, 2x plus 3 here. If I can take the value of x here as 2, 3 as it is. So it is not fixed. The value of the variable is not fixed here. It changes with each and every condition. Okay, so hence we call that particular unknown number which is represented as alphabets as variable. Now equation. What is an equation now? Coming to the main topic children. An equation is a condition on a variable. Means it is related to the variable. Some conditions are given on that variable, and when we solve that we get our solutions, right? It says that two expressions are equal. An equation is a statement with two expressions. So it involves two expressions with equal sign children. Equal to sign is very important in an equation. For example, suppose I take 2x plus 3 equal to 3x plus 4. So you can see this is a equation which here two expression, that is one, first expression is 2x plus 3, second expression is 3x plus 4. So two expression with equal to sign forms an equation here. Okay, and you can see both this two different sides are connected with each other with equal to sign. This side is children LHS and this side we call it as RHS. Left hand side and right hand side. So when this equation, equality proves that the left hand side value and the right hand side value is equal. That means whenever we substitute the value of the given variable, both the sides, the result will be same. Now very important thing related to the equation children here, one of the expressions must have a variable. Children, in this condition only the equations, we can call that particular expression as equations, right? That one of the expression must have a variable. Without variable we cannot have any equation. LHS of the equation is equal to RHS of the equation. That is, as I told you, left hand side and the right hand side values are equal. Third, an expression does not have equality sign, but an equation always has an equality sign. Children, expression, I told you expression, we take it suppose as 2x plus 3. This is an expression which expression don't have a equality sign. But whenever we take this, put it as equal to sign and put some value here, it changes to an equation. So, an algebraic expression don't have an equality sign, whereas an equation always we have an equality sign. Then, if we interchange the position of the expression from left hand side to right hand side or vice versa, means opposite, if we take change the things, the equation remains the same. That means, for example, children, I have taken here example 5x plus 7 equal to 2, which is here LHS, here is 5x plus 7 and RHS is 2. Now, if I interchange both the expression, that means 2 equal to 5x plus 7. In this case also, children, the value of this expression won't change. It will remain unchanged. That is same only. Okay. So, both the above equations are same in that condition. So, these points have to be taken care. Always we have a variable involved in it. We have some operations to do it, and always equation contains a equal to sign with it, and if we interchange LHS and RHS, the value will not change. Now, balanced equation. Now, what is balancing an equation, children? When LHS is equal to RHS, means both the sides, the values are equal of an equation, then it is said to be a balanced equation. Children, you can see with a very simple example, this is a balance. On one side, I have taken 4 plus 1 and another side 5. You can see in both the cases, both the side, the value will be same, that is 5, 5. So, from here we can tell when LHS and RHS, both the sides have the same value, we can call it as a balanced equation. Now, how to balance an equation? Now, if we add the same number to both the sides, children, we can balance an equation by adding the same number on both the sides. Because if you only do on the one side, it will not be a balanced one, right? So, you can see we can add the same number on both the sides of the balanced equation. The equation will remain the same. For example, children, you can see 12 minus 8 equal to 3 plus 1. This is the equation that I have taken for as an example. Just this is an example, don't take. Now, for this we need to add, suppose if I want to add 3. Then 3 I will add on both the side, that is 12 minus 8 plus 3, and on the right hand side also I will add a 3. So, both the side you can see I have added 3, which gives my answer as same. That means the equation is balanced here. That means both the sides I have balanced here. I am not talking about equation here, just I am talking about balancing the values. Okay. Now, if we subtract the same numbers from both the sides, even we can balance by subtracting the same number on both the sides, children, here. Okay, we can subtract the same number from both the sides of the balanced equation. The equation will always remain the same. That is here same thing, the same question you can see here, minus 3, I have subtracted on both the side of the equation, that is 12 minus 8 and 3 plus 1. When I do the same process on both the side, both the side will always have the same value, it will not be different. That means LHS and RHS will always be equal. Also, children, when we multiply the same number to both the side, you will have your LHS and RHS as balanced. As we had added the same number and on the both the side, subtracted both the same number on both the side. Similarly, we can even multiply the same number on both the side, so that the equation remains always balanced. Okay. Similarly, children, even we can divide the same number on both the side. Why we have to take on the both the side? So that the value of LHS and RHS always remains same. So as I told you, to make a equation balanced, children, you can add, subtract, divide and multiply same number on both the side. Don't take it one side. It has to be operated on both the sides so that the balanced equation is there. Now the main topic here to learn that the solution of an equation. What is that, children? What is the solution of an equation? Any value of the variable. Here they are talking about the value of the variable which satisfies the equation is called the solution of the equation. For example, I will tell you, children, the solution of an equation is the value of unknown variable which shows the equality is true. Okay, and there are two methods to solve this and to find the solution of an equation. For example, children, I give you one example as 2x plus 3 equal to 5. Now suppose I have to find the value, children. For example, 2x plus, wait children, I will put it on the next page here, I will not be seeing. Okay, here the example I have taken here. By adding or subtracting the same number to both the sides of the equation. Here you can take the example I have taken, x plus 11 equal to 35. Now, how to find the solution of it, children? Now, as 11 here given, you can take it on the another side. That is the another method. But here, as we have learned earlier, we can add, subtract, divide and multiply the same number on the both the side. In this case, children, the number with the variable, you have to remove that number with the variable. Okay, to remove this means we have to make it 0. Here plus 11 is there. So I have to take the opposite of it, that is minus 11. I have to subtract 11 from both the sides. It always take the opposite operation. If it is addition, take subtraction. If it is subtraction, take addition. If it is multiplication, go for division, and if it is division, go for multiplication. As here it is 11 plus, I will subtract the 11 from both the side. You can see here minus 11 here I have done on the both the side, so that this 2 becomes 0. Now after this you can see 11 plus 11 and minus 11 will become 0. That means only x is left here, x equal to 24. How do we get 24, children? 35 minus 11, we get 24. Here the 24 is called the solution of an equation. Means when we put the value of x as 24, we will get our RHS side as 35. You can see 24 plus 11 equal to 35. Okay, so 24 plus 11 what we get? 35 equal to 35. You can see your LHS and RHS side both are equal here, right? So this is the way to get the solution of an equation. Now the second method to find the solution of an equation is transposing method. Now what is this transposing method, children? In this method, we transpose the numbers from one side of the equation to the other side, so that all the terms with the variable come on one side and all the constant come on the another side. While transposing the numbers, the sign of the terms will get changed. That is, negative will become positive and the positive will become negative. Okay, so in this condition, children, both the expression you have to solve in such a way that all the terms with the variables will come on one side and all the constants we take on the another side. Now let us see with an example here. Here I have taken the same example, that x plus 11 equal to 35. Now in the first method, that is by adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, children, we have to make the number with the variable as 0. Okay, so in that condition we used to use the opposite operation. But in this case, transposing directly, we take this number on the another side. When we take plus 11 on the another side, children, the plus sign will change to minus. It will become x equal to 35 minus 11. When it crosses the equal to sign from one side to another, when they go, they will take the opposite sign. Okay, so plus it becomes minus. In this condition, when I solve, we will get x is equal to 24. So where your 24 is the solution of an equation. So there are two methods to find the solution of an equation. This is the first, by adding, subtracting, dividing, multiplying the same number on the both the side. And secondly, we have a transposing method. That means we change one number from one side to another side. Okay children, with this we end the today's session. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you and have a nice day.